Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ivo, and today I'm gonna crush some electronics with my hydraulic press. So stay tuned and let's crush this. Let's start with this useless Samsung wireless charger. This can't supercharge my phone, so it's useless for me. So there we go. Let's crush this. Wait a second. Let me add some plates in there. Okay. That's how it is right now. Let me try to get the plates closer to each other and see if that helps. Yeah, it looks like this one is not going to be charging anything else anytime soon. Since we're here, let's see what's inside. Cheap circuit board and some copper wire coil, and that's it. Next, now it's time for the Lenovo tablet. Not sure if it's gonna fit. Yeah, he will. Let's do the same. Let's put the thick metal plates in here, space plates, and let's put this one in here. Oh yeah, let's see the damage. Okay, this is what we ended up with. Here's the back cover. Didn't manage to pierce that because it slided off the hydraulic press. Probably the battery. It was nice he didn't come and fire at us. Yeah, screen got pierced. pretty sure this one won't stop working for anyone else. That's it, guys. Leave a like if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't lose more content in the future. See you on the next one, guys. Bye!